You can see our test device TriboCon Mk III to determine water content and base number. We now demonstrate water content determination. Turn on with Start button in the middle. It goes directly into measure procedure. Just choose BN or water content and continue. There are two marked chambers to fill, one with 3.2 ml oil sample and the second with prepared reagent. A mark is set to know how much reagent is needed. Continue then with right button. The display also shows next steps. Press skip. If you are an experienced user, this is also possible. Now fill in 3.2 ml oil into chamber marked with oil. And the reagent into chamber R up to the mark. As long as the user does not shake the device, no reaction occurs. Press Start and an acceleration bar shows up. Shake approximately 90 seconds until bar is full. Almost finished. Afterwards, a rest time is shown counting down 60 seconds. Now press Continue and read the result. One can store the result, clean the device and do the next testing. The stored results can easily transfer to a PC via USB-C cable, also rechargeable, so no battery exchange is needed.